Ahoy, shipmates! It's the Cemex Go Innovation. A hopper dredger. Plies her trade out in the, I was going to say the Solent, but actually a little bit beyond the Solent, more like the English Channel and surrounding areas. Coming back into the port of Southampton here to deposit her load of freshly captured gravel or sand or various aggregate. Actually, just arriving here on the River Itchen, the depot where she docks is just the other side of Itchen Bridge. We'll see that later in the video. 103 metres long, and as you can see, a fairly distinctive design with that very prominent vertical bow, somewhat reminiscent, I think, of an early dreadnought. Compared to the other dredgers that we see here in the port of Southampton, quite a stunning looking vessel. When she was new, had a really sharp paint scheme. It's a bit of patina along the sides now. Obviously, it's a working vessel. I see her coming in out of port very frequently, so not a day goes by where she's not being used. I'm guessing that's led to the wear and tear along the sides. But yes, very sharp paint scheme and a very distinctive design. I think I'll get a little shot here as she passes the luxury gin palaces in Ocean Village. There we go, working vessels and Playboy vessels, all in the same photo. I think I'm going to take another one from here, a slightly better angle, and now we can see the Itchen Bridge as well. And she will continue up the River Itchen, through the Itchen Bridge, and just up on the left will be the port where she'll drop off all of her merchandise. The new design of dredger, built in Romania, and she can dredge to a depth of 55 metres. And compared to the previous dredger, she has a 25% increase in capacity and also a 20% increase in rate of discharge. A dead weight of just under 7,000 tonnes and a maximum loaded speed of approximately 12 knots. The other dredgers we see in port are the city of Chichester, and that certainly looks like a very used vessel compared to the Cemex Go Innovation. Well, just a little short one today, shipmates. I'm pleased to let you all know I'm working hard to restore the channel to its previous form. There will be the return of the live streaming cameras and some more videos to come. It's pretty quiet in the port at the moment, mainly just the commercial dredging ships and such. I shall just follow the Cemex Go Innovation until she docks. But until next time, shipmates.